Hi lovelies, you welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transform your straight hair to a curly hair using the heatless method, which means you don't need the electric coiler to achieve this. And the good part is you can do this from the comfort of your home. Very easy to make. You can achieve several coil patterns with this method. Okay, now all you need is just two products and your flexi rod, and I'm taking you through all the process on how to achieve these coils. Okay, this way you can turn your old wig to a brand new wig. Now, one thing you want to avoid is getting a really bad flexi rod. From the look of this video, you can tell that I actually had to use the aid of a rubber band to hold the flexi rod on the wig stand. You can see that, right? That was because I actually got a bad flexi rod at first. So I actually had to go get a new one. Now, take a look at this flexi rod on the screen. You can see that that particular one is very, very soft. Like, it is extremely soft. I have to bring the camera closer so you can see. You want to get yourself a very strong, should I use the word strong? A strong and firm flexi rod like the one on my right hand. Now, the first product we'll need is a conditioner. You can use any one of your choice, but I'm going to be using the Hawa Silky. Now, the next one is Muse, okay? Now, again, you can use any Muse of your choice, but I'm going to be using the body, is it body, Lotta body, okay, Lotta body. Here's another one called Olive, but I prefer the Lotta body because for me, I feel like it's very good quality. And yes, we will need our comb, our tail comb, and of course our serum. Okay, now I use several serum for several hairs for hair quality. Okay, here's the Leoda serum for shine. Here is my favorite serum, the macadamia. But in today's video, I'll be using more of the macadamia. Okay, for today's video. All right. Now for this styling, you will need a spray bottle. So I actually had to use this particular spray bottle. And I'll add my conditioner and water mix into the spray bottle. And yeah, it's time for us to style the hair. So you want to go ahead and brush out the hair, detangle the hair, then put it into section and spray your water mix, your conditioner mix on the hair, comb out the hair and apply your mousse. Okay, just apply a moderate quantity. You don't want to be you don't want to be stingy with your mousse. Okay, I mean, don't apply so much, but still something very moderate. And next you place your flexi rod underneath the hair and you start twisting and rolling. You twist, you roll. You twist, you roll. Just the way you make braid, yeah? You twist, you roll. So just imagine yourself making a braid, right? Where you're twisting and you're rolling. You're twisting and you're rolling. Okay, this time it's going to be a bit tighter, all right? Then, you flip your flexi rod to tighten the braid you made, right? So it doesn't get loosened up. Okay, so if you didn't get that, I'm going to show you again, but this time we'll take it slowly. Okay, so the first step is to detangle your hair. The second step is to apply your water mix and conditioner onto the hair. The third step is to apply your mousse to the hair. Apply a generous amount, please. Apply a generous amount and spray the hair generously across the hair. Allow it spread to every part of the hair while you're combing out. Okay, so check out for the next step. Now you place your flexi rod under the hair as you can see in the video. Now, if you hold the edge of that flexi rod, then you twist. As you turn, you twist. You turn, you twist the hair. Okay, I like to be very close. There should be no gap. You turn, you twist the hair. You turn and twist. Turn and twist. So when you're doing it, just be ringing. Turn and twist. Turn. That is all you do. Turn and twist. Turn and twist. Okay, guys. Turn and twist. That is all. Turn and twist. Don't just twist the hair, you turn the hair and you twist. When you turn your hair across the flexi rod, you twist, then turn again till you get to the last strand of the hair. You hold it firm so it doesn't loosen up. Okay, you secure it with your thumb. Then you want to secure with the thumb of your hand so it doesn't loosen up. You can see me hold it very, very firm. Then you close the flexi rod to hold the hair so it doesn't loosen up. You can see how tight it is and how firm it is. Let me bring the camera closer. You can see how firm and how neat it is. So let's do it again. You place the flexi rod under the hair. You turn and twist. Okay, there should be no gap. Turn and twist. So as I'm turning the hair, I'm twisting. Okay, I'm twisting. As I turn, I twist. I turn and twist. That is all. As though you are braiding. Okay, this time you're twisting the hair while you turn. It is very simple to make, guys. very easy. You want to make sure it is very tight as well. Okay, so you can get a perfect coil when this hair gets dried. And with the help of your muse, it makes the coil firm. Okay, so you can see that, guys. It is very, very fine. You can see how fine it is and how firm it is. It is not loose. It is very firm, and you can see the coil pattern. This is what we call a snail shell coils. Okay, so I'll go ahead of camera and do the other part and show you guys. So guys, here's after 3 days of getting the hair all dried. So I didn't place this hair under the sun. No, please don't put under the sun. Just put it in a very in an open place so it can hair dry on its own. Okay. So after 3 days of hair drying this hair, now I want to loosen the flexi rod to show you. And please be careful when you are trying to loosen it. Okay, be gentle. And here is what the coils look like. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the second one. Guys, look at how fine the coils is. Look at how fine the coils is. Like, can you see how fine and firm the coils are? So at this point, you can apply your serum, just a little drop, okay, and just pat it on the hair gently, okay, pat it on the hair, and yeah, you can see how shiny the hair will become. Like, it just brightens and pop out the hair. See how fine and how shiny the hair is right now. Okay, so that's the benefit of applying a serum. Now, here is how to style this hair. Okay, if you want to achieve that deep wave, okay, this is what you do. Just watch the video and see. Okay, you use your tail comb the hair down a bit and you push up. You comb down a bit and you push up. You comb down a bit and you push up. Now, if you notice, I actually had to apply a holding spray before I did this. Okay, before I did this, I actually applied a holding spray. Then I actually did comb the hair down and push up. You can see how fine the coils are. Now, it's either you leave the coils like this as a deep wave, or you can just leave it the way it is after you loosen your flexi rod. So you can actually style this coils in different way. Like with this flexi rod method, you can actually achieve different coil pattern. So if you have an old wig and you want to turn into a deep wave wig with this particular method, you can achieve a deep wave, okay? Or if you want your coils to just be the way it is and popping, you can just leave it the way it is after you loosen the flexi rod. Like, the coils are so beautiful, okay? If you want to apply your serum, you can apply them on each step. As you can see me do, I'm applying the serum, just patting the serum, just a little quantity, guys, okay, on the hair to give it that glossy look. Now, on that way of rocking this hair is also to loosen the coils a bit. You can see I'm trying to spread the coils to make the coils fuller. All right, so if you don't want to use the comb method, you could just or the deep wave method, you could just open the coils. As you can see me doing the video, I'm just trying to open the coils instead of leaving it as just one bulk. Just open the coils to make it fuller, yeah, to give it more volume. So that's what I'm trying to doing here, trying to give the coils more volume by opening it up a bit, and the coils is still going to keep on, it's going to keep on popping. Can you see? You can see how fine it is. Like, it's just still popping, right? You can see how beautiful it is. So guys, even if it is your old wig, you can achieve this coils with your old wig. If you're making for a client, you can actually achieve this coil for a client. And if you revamp hairs, this is another method you can do for your clients, right? This came out so beautiful. Now, if you want to start a very long hair, okay, here's what you should do. So you open up your flexi rod, remove that white stuff on it, and you clip two with that iron, right? You just clip two flexi rod together to make it longer. Okay, so if your client is bringing or you're making for yourself, you want to start a 24 inches or a 30 inches long wig, all right? This is how to double your flexi rod to make it longer and achieve the same core. It is just so easy to make. So guys, thank you for watching. Do well to like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay blessed.